Some users have shared their Galaxy Watch Ultra are having overheating issue, especially during calls, while charging, when they're out for a run. Sometimes it gets uncomfortable for their wrist, and it's even too hot to touch. So in this guide, we will share some tips to help you manage and reduce the overheating issues. First, we recommend you to just go check the watch storage from device care on settings on your watch. Make sure it's not almost full with high power consuming apps, music, or photos. Maybe you're constantly switching between apps. That resolves the overheating issue. Now what you can do, you can either uninstall some unnecessary apps, or you can just frequently force close all the background apps. Now overheating frequently can happen in LTE variants since the watch always tries to search for the network. So if you're using your watch in LTE mode, try to disable LTE and use the watch via Bluetooth when it starts heating up. And if you're facing this overheating issue when you're out for a run, please remember this is a normal during an extremely hot weather or ambient. If none of this helped you, not your issue, from the watch face, swipe up and open Samsung Health app. Scroll down till the end to settings. Select the heart rate and stress measure to manually, so your watch sensors can rest for a bit. Scroll down in the same section, tap on activities to detect, and keep this automatic workout detection enabled only during your workout times. Otherwise, just turn it off. If your watch heats up during phone call, immediately switch the call to your phone and talk from there. Do the same for any music app if you're using any on your watch. If your watch heats up while charging, please note that some heating up during charging is quite normal. Now if it goes beyond limit, make sure you're using a compatible charger. Try not to use a super fast charger or adapter. Also, when it starts heating up during charging, immediately unplug the watch and then turn it off, let it cool down for a bit. And hey, please try not to use your watch while it's on charge. In rare cases, overheating can happen somehow if there is water enters inside the watch accidentally. If you think that's your issue, just turn off your watch for a while, let the water dry out before you turn it on again. And lastly, please make sure there isn't any pending software on your watch. You can check it out from settings, scroll down to software update, and install the update if there is any to your watch, because these updates always comes with a lot of bug fixes. If you have any more suggestions of your own that might be added to fix the overheating issue, please let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.